Today we're taking a look at the Spencer Mountain Rifle, a merger of the characteristics of a muzzleloading plains rifle with the advantages of a breech-loading metallic cartridge repeater. The U.S. government bought 100,000 Spencers for use in the Civil War. At war's end, surplus rifles could be purchased at bargain prices. Gunsmiths were quick to seize upon this opportunity, and many were sporterized with heavy octagon barrels, attached wooden cleaning rods, and other special features that appeal to the Western trade. Furthermore, the Spencer Repeating Rifle Company went out of business in 1868, and even the new models could be had at low prices. Here's a classic example. George Wright, seen here with his Uncle Billy's 56-46 Spencer mountain rifle, used to kill an 1,800-pound grizzly bear in Northern California in 1890. George said the 13-pound rifle was made by gunsmith G. A. Nordheim of Yreka, California, as a target rifle of a Spencer by fitting a heavy barrel and set trigger. You see many examples of these rifles used on the frontier in journals and reference books. Okay, let's take a look at this rifle. You can tell this is a later post-war model by the large cartridge guide and the Spencer magazine cutoff device, which replaced the earlier Stabler cutoff that allowed the rifle to be used as a single shot, holding the magazine in reserve. You can see that this rifle was originally a carbine by the sling ring mounting plate. Some of the cool features of this gun is a 26-inch octagon barrel with an attached wooden cleaning rod, a set trigger, and the forestock attached by two barrel keys. You see a mounting plate that at one time held the Tang sight. This rifle sports a standard Spencer rear sight and a blade front. All Spencer rifles were made for rimfire ammunition. To use one today, you need to install a centerfire breech block and cartridge follower. Any of these old guns, you'll need some basic information to craft ammo for it. A Serrasafe casting will give you a good start. This rifle was rechambered for the 56-46 Spencer cartridge. The groove diameter is closer to 48 than 46, so I had to have a custom bullet mold made. According to Marcotte's book, examined period 56-46 bullets ran from .433 to .478, all over the place. I was able to craft some ammo using Starline 5650 brass and CH4D 56-46 dies, 40 grains of 1.5 Swiss, and a 300 grain 48 caliber bullet. So out to the range to fireform the cases, to tweak with the sights and the overall cartridge length. The finished product is quite a bit different than the 56-46 cartridge for my factory sporting rifle on the left. I see a lot of people state the Spencer has a detachable magazine. It does not. Only the follower is removable. Okay, let's try these rounds out. barrel has a less than perfect bore and a very slow 1 in 72 twist rate, most likely made for a muzzleloader. That being said, I'm surprised and pleased with its accuracy. Let's have some fun with it. And we're going to switch on the magazine cutoff and try it out as a single shot. Well, I found this hostile watermelon lurking in the pantry. What do you say we take this down to the range?